Ever heard that checking your credit score lowers it? Well, that's a myth. Your credit score, that mysterious number, holds the key to financial freedom. It influences loan approvals, interest rates, even rental applications. But many misconceptions surround this powerful figure. This isn't just about knowing your score. It's about understanding the hidden factors that shape it. Factors you might not even realize are influencing your financial health. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your credit score and take control of your financial future. We'll debunk common myths and delve into the lesser-known aspects affecting your score. You know the basics: payment history, amounts owed, and credit history length. These are the big three of credit scoring. But what about the less obvious influences? Hidden factors play a significant role in determining your score. These often overlooked elements can make or break your creditworthiness. Let's shed some light on these hidden heroes and villains of the credit world. We'll explore how seemingly unrelated factors like paying rent on time or managing utility bills can impact your score. Understanding these nuances empowers you to make smarter financial decisions. Ready to uncover the secrets? Let's dive into the specifics of these hidden factors. Paying rent on time seems like a given, right? It's one of those monthly tasks that we often do without much thought. But have you ever considered the broader implications of this routine payment? But did you know it can impact your credit score? Yes, that's right. Your rent payments can play a significant role in shaping your financial future. Traditionally, rental payments weren't included in credit reports. However, times are changing. The financial landscape is evolving, and so are the ways in which your creditworthiness is assessed. With the rise of rent reporting services, landlords can now report your payment history to credit bureaus. This means that your monthly rent payments are no longer just between you and your landlord. This means consistent on-time rent payments can boost your score, demonstrating financial responsibility. It's a way to show that you are reliable and can manage your financial obligations effectively. On the flip side, late or missed payments can hurt your score. Just as timely payments can help, delays and defaults can have a detrimental effect. If you're looking to build or improve your credit, ensure you're paying rent on time. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your credit profile. Consider using rent reporting services to your advantage. These services can help ensure that your positive payment history is accurately reflected in your credit report. Remember, consistent positive payment history, even for rent, speaks volumes to lenders. It can be the difference between getting approved for a loan or not. So make your rent payments count. Think paying your electricity bill is just about keeping the lights on? Think again. Like rent, utility payments weren't traditionally factored into credit scores. However, this is evolving. Some credit scoring models now consider utility payment history. Paying your gas, electric, and water bills on time demonstrates responsible financial behavior, which can positively impact your score. Conversely, late or missed payments can reflect negatively. While the impact of utility payments might be less significant than other factors, it's still crucial to manage them responsibly. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure timely payments and reap the potential credit-boosting benefits. Credit utilization refers to the amount of available credit you're using. It's a key component of your credit score, representing about 30% of your overall score calculation. Understanding this concept can help you manage your credit more effectively. It's a significant factor influencing your score, often misunderstood. Many people don't realize how much their credit utilization impacts their creditworthiness. High utilization suggests you're heavily reliant on credit, potentially signaling risk to lenders. This can make it harder to get approved for loans or new credit cards, and can even lead to higher interest rates. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means that if you have a total credit limit of $10,000, you should try to keep your balance below $3,000 at any given time. This means if you have a credit limit of $10,000, keep your balance below $3,000. By doing so, you show lenders that you are not overly dependent on credit and can manage your finances responsibly. Lowering your utilization demonstrates responsible credit management. It shows that you can use credit wisely without maxing out your cards, which is a positive signal to lenders. Monitor your credit card balances and strive to pay down debt strategically. Regularly checking your statements and making payments on time can help you maintain a low utilization rate. Consider requesting credit limit increases, responsibly of course, to improve your utilization ratio without necessarily decreasing your spending. A higher credit limit can give you more breathing room and help keep your utilization rate low. Finding the sweet spot for credit utilization is crucial for a healthy credit score. By keeping your utilization low, you can improve your credit score and increase your chances of getting approved for credit in the future. Soft inquiries. Know the difference. Understanding the nuances between different types of credit inquiries can help you manage your credit score more effectively. Applying for new credit can impact your score, but not all inquiries are created equal. It's important to know how each type of inquiry affects your credit. Understanding the difference between hard and soft inquiries is crucial. This knowledge can empower you to make better financial decisions. Hard inquiries occur when you apply for credit, like a loan or credit card, and the lender checks your credit report. This is a formal request to review your credit history. These inquiries can temporarily lower your score, especially with multiple inquiries in a short period. Each hard inquiry can reduce your score by a few points, and too many in a short time can signal financial distress to lenders. Soft inquiries, on the other hand, happen when you check your credit report or a company checks your credit for pre-approval offers. These are more like background checks and don't involve a formal review of your credit history. These inquiries don't affect your score. They are simply recorded on your credit report but have no impact on your creditworthiness. Be mindful of hard inquiries and space out credit applications to minimize their impact. Planning your credit application strategically can help maintain a healthy credit score. Soft inquiries, however, are nothing to worry about. They are a routine part of credit management and won't harm your credit score. Understanding these differences can help you navigate the credit landscape more confidently. Believe it or not, the age of your credit history plays a role in your score. A longer credit history demonstrates financial experience and responsible credit management over time. Lenders view this positively, as it provides more data to assess your credit worthiness. While you can't change the past, you can build a positive credit history moving forward. Keep your oldest credit accounts open, even if you don't use them frequently. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history, potentially lowering your score. Building a long and positive credit history is a marathon, not a sprint. Having different types of credit accounts can positively impact your score. This demonstrates your ability to manage various forms of credit responsibly, making you a more attractive borrower. A healthy mix might include credit cards, installment loans like auto loans and mortgages. However, avoid opening unnecessary accounts just for diversity. Focus on managing existing accounts responsibly, and consider diversifying when it aligns with your financial goals. Remember, quality over quantity. Public records such as bankruptcies, foreclosures, or tax liens can significantly impact your credit score. These records indicate serious financial distress and can remain on your report for several years. While these situations are difficult, it's essential to understand their impact and take steps to rebuild your credit. Seek professional advice if needed to navigate these challenges effectively. Remember, rebuilding credit takes time and effort, but it's possible. Focus on establishing positive financial habits and seeking guidance when necessary. Let's debunk some common credit score myths. Myth: closing a credit card improves your score. Fact: closing a card can hurt your score by increasing your credit utilization ratio. Myth: carrying a small balance on your credit card helps your score. Fact: aim for a zero balance to maximize your score and avoid interest charges. Myth: checking your credit score lowers it. Fact: checking your own score is a soft inquiry and doesn't affect your score. Understanding the facts about credit scores empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Your credit score is a powerful financial tool. By understanding the hidden factors that influence it, you can take control of your creditworthiness and unlock a brighter financial future. Remember these key takeaways. Pay all bills on time, including rent and utilities. Maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Be mindful of hard inquiries. Build a long and positive credit history. Empower yourself with knowledge. Adopt responsible financial habits, and watch your credit score soar.